me 550 bucks off of eBay. I thought I'd be using it around town, but to be honest, it's so slow with a top speed of like 25k an hour that it's just no good to get around. The riding position's okay. It's better as a stand-up. So I've got the seat off here. The batteries are all located under here in a bag. All they are is just an AGM battery, typical gel battery. There's 4 of them connected in line to bring it up to 48 volt battery bank. And then just up in here is the motors controller. What is meant to be a 1000 watt motor. Can't comment on that. I'm not convinced that it's a 1000 watt motor. It's comfortable, but one of my main concerns is actually the way it folds. This trigger here, once pushed, folds the unit like so. And I'm always really nervous whilst driving that that's just going to undo and fold in half on me, because this thing is heavy. I mean, it's really heavy. And to have this piece of steel up here come and punch you in the chest or the crotch, it seriously just would not be nice. Granted that when I say I'm worried about it coming off and punching me, I'm talking about taking it off of curbs and really giving it a harder life than it's made for. You can drive it as is, as a stand-up scooter, or you can slot the seat in. Sits only in a very upright position, and then you've got a pin to lock it in. Probably the worst thing about this is the weight. It'd have to weigh like 40 kilo. Is it worth buying? Personally, if I'm in the city, I'd buy a skateboard, a Meepo boosted board, anything along those lines. You can pick a Meepo up for the exact same dollar actually delivered, 550 bucks. I'd get that delivered any day of the week if I wanted to get around town. It's really fast, it's light, it's got a lot of power, a lot of takeoff, and if you go into a shop, you can just pick it up. This thing, you got to chain it out front. It weighs a ton. You can't just carry it. It does fold up, but it's just so heavy. It's not something you just want to whisk down the shops on. Would I buy it again? Probably not. In fact, I'm going to sell this one. I'm going to chuck it up for sale. If I get 450 bucks for it, I'll take a $100 hit and get rid of it. If not, I'm just going to keep it and use it as a farm bike. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Be sure to subscribe.